What if I told you one of football's biggest giants just got completely outplayed on the world's biggest stage? France came in dreaming of another World Cup final, but Spain had a completely different story to tell by the final whistle. One team was celebrating, the other was left wondering what went wrong. And trust me, this match had everything: pressure, drama, tactical brilliance, and two massive goals that changed the tournament forever. Welcome back, football fans. The FIFA World Cup 2026 semi-final gave us one of the most exciting chases of the tournament as France faced Spain with a place in the World Cup final on the line. The atmosphere inside the stadium was electric. Fans from both countries were singing, waving flags, and believing their teams would make history. The pressure could not have been higher because only one team would move one step closer to lifting football's biggest trophy. From the very first whistle, Spain looked calm and confident. Instead of rushing forward, they focused on keeping possession, moving the ball quickly, and forcing France to chase. France tried to press high, hoping to win the ball early, but Spain kept escaping the pressure with quick one-touch passing. Every successful pass made the Spanish supporters louder. France finally found a few attacking opportunities, but Spain's defense stayed organized. Every time France looked danger, a Spanish defender stepped in at exactly at the right moment. As the first half continued, Spain slowly began taking complete control of the midfield. Their movement without the ball was outstanding, making it difficult for France to regain possession. The tension kept building because everyone knew the first goal could decide the match. Then come the breakthrough. Spain created a beautiful attacking moves, moving the ball from defense to midfield before delivering a perfectly timed pass into the final third. The finish was calm and clinical, leaving the French goalkeeper with no chance. Spain had taken the lead. The stadium exploded with celebration. Spanish players ran toward their fans while France suddenly found themselves under enormous pressure. France responded immediately by pushing more players forward. They increased the tempo, looked for courses, and tried long-range effort. But Spain remained disciplined and refused to panic. The first half ended with Spain holding the advantage. Will France walked into the dressing room knowing they needed something special to save their World Cup dream. But the biggest drama was still waiting in the second half. As the second half began, France came out looking like a completely different team. They knew there was no time to waste. Every attack mattered, every pass continued, and every missed chance could not their World Cup journey. France pushed higher up the pitch and tried to put Spain under constant pressure. For a few minutes, it looked like the momentum had finally shifted. The French fans were on their feet, cheering every attack and hoping the equalizer. But Spain had a plan. Instead of panicking, they stayed patient. Every defender knew exactly where to be, and every midfielder worked tirelessly to close down space. France kept attacking, but Spain kept fielding as well. Then came the moment that completely changed the game. Spain launched a highlight fast out counterattack. One quick pass turned into another. The French defense was catch out of position, and suddenly Spain had a clear chance. The finish was perfect. Goal Spain doubled their lead. The scoreboard now read Spain 2, France 0. The Spanish bench exploded with joy. Players hugged each other. The crowd erupted, and it felt like one foot was already in the World Cup final. France refused to give up. They continued attacking until the very last minutes, throwing everything forward in search of a miracle. There were dangerous crossing into the box, powerful shots from outside the area, and several nervous moments for the Spanish defense. But Spain never lost their focus. Every clearance, every tackle, and every save brought them one step closer to victory. As the clock ticked into the final minutes, the French players looked exhausted, while Spain played with confidence and maturity. Then came the final whistle. Spain had defeated France 2-0 and officially booked their place in the FIFA World Cup 2026 final. Spanish players celebrated with their fans, While the French squad stood disappointed after seeing their World Cup dream come to an end. It was a performance built on discipline, teamwork, and clinical finishing, exactly what champions need on the biggest stage. In the final part, we'll look at the biggest turning points, the standout performance, and what this victory means for Spain's chances of becoming World Cup champions.